na de man komo no ye den se enuaba ne habamba na ye de aye no ebebo asiesie ripidua no your ground na o ma adwe na de be nyane no your grapes a ye yem ne ma na ma ne ejuma your ginseng ebomoden eyi ntintini ma ebo ma ne ma de da ye pretimi ere mantinei opede ebeboa na ma hode ama CPS ta corner kokoji mixer 5G omo a ena di mizo fruit drinks na ba drink emu eda onye bi na agba hu Sompa ehye pa na organic fruit so ne eda yemu api obopo hu Sompa wa mi ye papa na enye no nko ena ne gisem esan wo mne se otimi e de man kwada na omo bo a ya no maniji danda nyina no aba mama na undware me fami nko school ni nyina ene so kwa obenya mizo fruit drinks ni bi no de aba ababiramti aye na aba bedi nto na aba de dodo na eba ba be hie mo no me patro mixer 5G mizo fruit drinks na also bomo de ekoko krafa number ina eni mpevo din komana tonkra baby o ye bia bro 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 nembwa na ne mande da ye soro entimi enfama enrichi no ya cancer Wednesday bia team DMB no etimi etranse no ye Dr. Mahamudu Baumia ni team no ne bomo de baba be transe etimi didi nkomo unza Dr. Mahmud Baumia ono na ye Ghana mampenyi ebedi echi na njuma pa wabo no ene ne mo de ram no obepese dabi no ye beto aba ma no na MPP amanyuko no waba be do ma no na dabi no waba be Ghana mampi na njuma pa no wetimi asan to aso timi pa cho ukuada bia no na nko ekokosi no nsia enwume no ya ramu na ya mwana hihye no ende da ye kama pa entimi emfa ema na munkomo no de ema ne ye deni na adwuma ne live on Sompa TV Kumase Sompa FM Kumase Sompa 90.7 eno ewo nkranza Sompa 98.9 eno so ewo sunwane a ne nyina mu na eboa na hihye na da ye pa etimi era mantiti na uti a wabo Sompa eda ye bibia eda ye so etimi era manti Wednesday bia eye 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. a ne nyina mu no ye rewram na aboa na hihye no so no etimi adida ye kama pa etimi edi ama wa yedi mu nkomo no eromu so no etimi edi ama na mamere na menromu ama no so na menko enkokodi nkomo akra is na Ghana o ka coach so mu dwom na so pa ejuma no mo bo no ano eden adanda nyine didi nkomo and of course ono na edi only coach a Ghana baby ano bo ejuma na asemre no so ye no ayezo obere na wetimi eromu bo fufura akọ bo ejuma and be say 3 consecutive seasons ni ejuma bon we league ni na no edempe no former Biche United coach currently obo ejuma etimi the Man Nations FC ni di no ye friend Kasim Okansi Minga of course fantastic coach ejuma bon na no edempe coach Minga na bibia boko de
nyame adom na munzo
o yanzu nyame adom bibia de da mu kama nema ekoye kama pa so no etimi edemre na uramu nation na ze komodide ni ade e ba waso ya cha but zo ko bibia ekọ kama de
o nyame adom bibia ekọ fine so far so good
coach fire ramu kakre yerimze nyambo ochina na league no o match di kankra obomode etimi abo meaning pre-season no Charles here o joining Nation FC ne ba kumienu se na Niama City right from the pre-season no joining here and amokoko bobo matches out on Niama Siko
oh that pre-season there abi adun bibia ko yi man bibia ye perfect ye here ye de be ye juma no management no provide my and ejuma no cost so fine abubo friendly market they are 30 players ni nyina ehunwomu o ma ready o mu ye ready akaka kra ni ama nyina nti nyame adon ya sise bibia fine ha e dey chance nyame adon o chena be boy first match
yerimze one coach bi a modebo no ya de so ni ye papa wo Ghana na minim bo amekakra ze unya akwenya Koko for team no na offer na intentim si bo mode ye signing sawodo na odi ram pre-season na ensusan so na ya unya no ebi ne say
Koko a young team equipment from division 2 division 1 bring them together now we say we philosophy in mouth no moti ase we go through the first place second place and third place when they complete it, as at now, your second piece, you do your third piece. As for for 2 I say no more, they are hungry for success. And almost philosophy, and I say, who go about o de ne ba na to ombo na je kira ne ball no hu ball ne ball hu ball ne ball ubenya result no each team but we didn't be start from the basic techniques of football who graduated in back kakran nti obedu maybe ono nkasa be hu sesi be hu ball ne ball initial ball feel so ni ball ba oni ni pa sa ni amanu mo ko hu so dem ni ball ni ball fe na mi sua nti oti ase sa no so ma mi sua o be sua ojo o hu pe no oti ase a we gina ho a adam champion of field ni so isa ya gusu ayo ni kakra de nyambe ama o
the good na bo amekakre first phase and second phase and third and no so no all breaking it down say is there about yere there airs and draw for ni ade the first phase ni here from here kokusi na second no so no air from here kokusi
the basic techniques of football the sort here say do hu e bia obobo sa nyama ni nyina oni so you have to learn who nya the basics of who nya the correct when nya the correct about no who so who work with school here who knew 1 + 1 ABC there obey there no the ABC now from sentence I with my pronounce and now 1 + 1 you two better than what nyama akuma calculating nyama here so money who non here from there no progress to second phase no but the football ni so the football say the tactical play say role your boss system we are role say near say o chire low hu see sha say ha say ne be kwa ko wie no say wu role ni o ma ne ti ase no hu say ni role no say ne e bo no no hu wi a every third phase no we ja no say ma chire ba wan ka sa so far unyansa ni bibi ka ball ne ho de ma chire no we go do situation bi beba unko apply enye adwuma so wo use adwin wo di aka ho wo apply na we come out it dey wo mu face it dey answer now we are in the second phase egusu ayeko
go jiaka second phase one semenche beba na yaba be ram third no yenim say o check the last previous seasons na ejuma wa ba no edin we be Chem United they be now following the top 4 anko phones and ejuma na we na no edin pa but Ayers era phase 2 no meaning this season no zane nation yenya to wase kakra o ebe dinze bonze mo compete around the top 4
ya masi ya be bobo ni bi kekewu ya ba si no mo top no go compete ya na ba say ya be go bi afe ndi we don't want to talk much but na your match ndi after the match ya be kasa is your match ndi the concentration wo ma o tina match ni so ndi the ball match ni ya nya kasa ya ba we come to make an impact in the league ambasi eba be bobi keke afẹ that's our mission in the Aba League ambasi o ye ko bobi afẹ se be yi ana dabi enya ta mentality ni kita ye ba ye no we compete for the league dane e ya dream ya the Aba
coach me result after match in Ebe kaza we all desire na wo kan no say ochina mo game a mo kona makwa akobo no into the major na wawram na minim say after game the Ebe na edin komo na me sure the best so ochina na ma be ko ye the amam why
thank you
no your coach Kasim Okansi Mingle na coach after game na nkasi Ebe kaza but also omo ba aba be compete at the highest level yes omo ba aba be di agro tie no yen koma obo mo de etimi ere tuja na yen fio na yen konko di nkoma akra sere niam esie tie the Black Queens of Ghana Eromo Kigali omo ekwa kubu ejuma na nema da ye pa etimi ere amomo na ni na mo no ene se ni o join na ahra atimu sampa aropi omo bo mo de stretch kakra na omo ehwe se nema be de amomo na afi tutuye no edida dia e mana bomode na wafcon no omo ejo omo na so abo ejuma ma nema koyie pa etimi edi ama oman Ghana ne no e na uruo omo campo a omo confirm ze ampem da ko a omo right back a ye frene comfort yebo a ya to nsa afre na manako nyakwa akushima ene azuma bugri nyepra ntino ntime mama me join mbawa no ene omo mbo ejuma ntino ya to nsa etimi era afre comfort yebo asomra ema me replace no no mbo ejuma na mboa mana man deda din pa entimi emfa ema na eno nso echi no niam deda on the 30th September Star General Lasana Conte orwani chemo Guinea Conakry hona niam deda din na mediama ewram no mo ni AC Horoya eno ye second leg ano edin papa and before confirm is indeed and to the end that dana kwama refia appointed no e gen refia friend in Nabo Abu Khalifa or no ne refia ne appointed is omra emma me jamuna ontimi ambo ejuma na mboa emma ne man de din pa na assistant one no Ibrahim Hamlawi and afi line 2 no so no pin friend Mohammed Siraj and afi fourth official no and so Lofty Bukwasi and afi no fourth official and am si no so no ne pin pa on also your friend Bonaventure Koja ono ye Benin ni obana waba be bwana tutu na dadin sa America na orwani suchema FC Karun no mo transfer any Dreams FC etimi edi aboni on the 30th no and also pin pa ye friend Akriso Ginama and so no ye nei no Toguni ya appointing no sonko enkonko jamu no so mbo adwuma na mboa amane man de ye pa entimi emfa ma omontie no ye di aba be rama mun komo no ye bo modern ye di atudwa na aboa na hyehyɛ no so no etimi ada yeso etimi edi amana yebaba na yaba bidi nkomo akra orwani jemu eduana stars o maso ya opin prefer teaching ahin tender elso opin kesi ani ojamu bojuma edema boboku no nanra ene ebo modern a George FP hon komo no e baba be ramu na mun komo didie no ene ade na etweba opin pa no so no kra no ene ya za abato no na yeyi opin pa na fim na ko benya enke ma ne mra oba na nko no abehu die wom sei no obo modern edi ne komo ne che
so after the disqualification, you can say, okay, the verdict now, it was so watertight. The verdict said that please come on the airtime and to some of us, said they were coming events, always tell their own shadows. But coming in media, 20 crown contest ticket. Now could be a who is motorless level. Could you yanka John Tromina, ASN combat picket forms. But the Montreal Fakoto and your mass former vice president of the GF, you wanted just 5 clubs to endorse you. Now, Okophobia, on your director and the secretary to a club. You know, I think that they should not tears for Anna. That's why he will be over Sevilla. Then the Panonia well informed. He doesn't read rules and regulations and our status. So beside Mana, almost did the honor. Obo MP, Auto double step, the region farm, Auto damage draft. We are from what farm bar, a better quack. Ethiopia and as a group of which you be an associate homer. One is a problem movie. One is a movie. Common endorsement. Now, Kophobia on your director, on your secretary to a club now, on the so for me to score for you blame anybody. If you don't go to heaven, don't blame Jesus.
Eltia no ye komano pimpano abomodi etimi edi atugani na mono ye dun komo etimi era cho wonderful Kofi Manu Blue Boy ene tweben ye bisa no na ne ono so ye bisa no on election on komo ne sere nema esi etie ne die erera mu no se no so bomodi e kan se me defa
ye ade na se court de tabo to so obi de tabo to so court ne kan ti o se de ko akushi atu agi ase antana ni awo ye ne wa ya no na se wo kene the baby entry from their timetable no then go say 27 for university aba na alaji bruce court say the timetable no share convention you know court ni mano in this about na postpone to 28 the engage say elections to the maso and no we didn't send the bill that time aba yes because one come ahead tabo to so no or country is all processes. Election processes are what FA Grano. Georgia free in any manner. Indeed, the American before appeal. Publication of the decision or the verdict of the elections committee acting as the vetting committee. And you're part of the process of the election. So you're part of the process. No, we didn't junction. No, I want to rubber. So I stop the process. Now, within that same period, then junction, you need to go. Watch out. And you're content. Yeah, I mean,
Eltia no ye komo bomo de timeri tuja cheza pa mre no kra na ne ma rerem no o jirisi ne ne ma de da din after no no san didin komo ona contempt on komo no e no so se no bomo de timeri tuja
yeah some passport the most dangerous offense I obey because okay constitution na contempt no and your written law I want minimum and maximum sentences so and even though any written law no it's no there despite 11 you know 1911 you know 1912 no Superior Court has been given the power to punish people for contempt of itself. And you say, yeah, you know what now? Not when you know who say, who can have before. Ali, what's in the 1 year? Who can't cut it in it? You know, many years. Apart from that, you know, because I stayed in the Francophone country for 12 years, respect for law and order, yeah, there. Well, what is the Ghana? You'll be iron out here in the moon. My answer is everything. Tell I the Bruce and a court. Next is the area for 28. The area for 28 here. What is qualified will be iron cast in the year. The implication and the meaning, you know, lawyers in the country. For content.
Eltia no ye command Kofi Manu Boy wonderful e bomode etimi eri tuja ni na mwebo ma na ma de ye pa etimi era ma meba na mababe to ansem no so na mon Kings are Media Fridays bia etimi eba so live on Sompa 93.1 Sompa 90.7 and Kranza Sompa 98.9 Sunyane and our face Sompa TV na mun komo no de mani ti ekonie any honorable Kennedy Japan MP de ma Sen Central and I bomode eba be di na onkoma ni nyina ebo ama na ma de pa etimi ediama na munkomo no ne sere munche municity no onzonrabu yobia ode no ye papa no so echi no wabomode asomoman Ghana ye tichu MPP amanyoko no na utie wi aba hundi enti ahobehia so obomode na wabo ni twidom na dabi ya to aba eyi no na MPP amanyoko no waba be do ma no na dabi no waba be Ghana man paint me pacho efie de bia Fridays 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. na che no 9 ekokosi no nsia no bomode na fo efide ne to a na hwebi na mwa na man de so and from our 21st can examine can and franchise and Nesiatica no edunya ye papa ma so no mrena ya bomode etimi aso no na we jan na so na nema ada ye pera ma Siatica otia edin de na is a baby girl be din na so no e yare hankofo pa wa wota transiche te se metra ha chi obozi bedu baby na to asinti no etwetwetwa na di ramos church obi wa hwentu ana ma dabi no o kwa kububu nti ozo hwe na obo ama nema nenso etimi ekoye kama pa etimi ere mana mun komo no senete 21st keneken kwa na be na wajo ayai sa o maso no okwa anye no kon diabetes ne dunya zenne no stroke ne dunya ya yankinkiti bia na kesie bia onza no ede no mbre na ya bomode etimi aso ano de amomo lab kesie a yewramu doso ma hwe bibia aye ne hye ya yere ato wanya fa udi na ne makoe da ma Friday bia after work no to fa ho na massage no yemfa ma machine ba kubu ho a ye bomode ndo na ni siso a onza ejuma eye na ba kubi ye tetara ho a onze ejuma eye no eye ade ano eden papa ejuma pa mo bonti more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo ye ejuma Kumasi Awe overseas mo nyawan overseas junction mo bena free radio oboase council court so call junction be nyomo Accra Dome market ena Sunyane odwani chima be nyomo Kranza ene techima no mo ebo ejuma na bibia form number na ne omo ninkomo 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 nembwa na ne mande da di so entimi enfama wie ya ede unza krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko omo a confirm se niema adana kwa mama sign high sales in paying for atransi omo abomodia ede no omo etimi extend omo contract no yes 3 years ena ne omo abomoden e sign it to asumun komo no sike to dwa no omo entimi antuni din omo so omesa abomoden na sika ni na echi no yetimi the product awdo na etimi aka wona abo na ne ma de da yeso no etimi era matim nti esa pepe era mun komo no esieti a ye di iremeda ma to focus no niama de da dia na otwe ye bed power Ghana Premier League Monday 2 amuni su atrema na de bo ni na gate fee no nkoma popular stand 20 Ghana center line 40 Ghana lower VIP 60 Ghana and upper VIP 80 Ghana and a VVIP no and so 100 Ghana cities nti 3 PM na nyamboa na chese Sunday game no ejipene etimi eram na aboa amane amakoye kama pa so no etimi edemo mo ne physiotherapy era mo pin perfect innocent aziafa wadidi nkomo akra nyere afa ne press pra e wo maso ne sere ho nkomo no esi etiesi no de ajai.
We started the preseason very well, and as usual we are not expected to be injury free, so as expected we have recorded a few injuries which are very mild, and they are not things that could actually affect the team performance. The first one I would say is Linda, who had actually experienced this abductor muscle strain, which we normally call brain. We are seriously working on him. He had been out for 2 weeks and had resumed training this week. Same applies to Gideon, but he hasn't resumed training yet. We are hoping and working hard so that he can get back to training as soon as possible. Michelle also had a number of injuries. One is a stamp on his abdomen, which actually made him have a laceration at the lower rib. We took him to the hospital and he has recovered ever since. The second thing that happened to him was actually a hamstring strain, which we are currently working on. He had seen a massive improvement and also resumed training yesterday after the team came back from Tamale. We will continue working on him until he gets back fully. The last person that I would say is Enoke Subontin, who had an injury in one of his fingers, I would say. Ever since we are working seriously on him, and he too is scheduled to be out for 4 weeks. 2 weeks active rest and then 2 weeks passive rest, which means that he will be training intermittently. That's when he is fully back on his feet. Then we can clear him to start active training and also participate in the league. Yeah, so as at now, those are the outstanding injuries.
Atiano ye command paper ye friend innocent aziafa abomode etimera to dwane nyina boama ne makoye pre etimera ma to for tidi okana abomode ye shase filinda so o cylinder ne wonya groin na kokotran fi kakra wa shase aba ne yokomrika hwe na aboa amane ma deda de amano na force Gideon na Santi Dino oroso ya sapra na bi na Gideon de ne de na wo so kofie kakra ekokotran chebere ni no ontimi ensan ba ema me join omo ene omo ntimi ambo adwuma no omo hwe sembri no obeba na waba be ram ni omabo adwuma eno si Michelle Sapon olonso no azu bi tia na kakra na ede ko ne mfe ono ntina ama home na eden kakra ye de ne kokupie mu asipiti ane yetimi ehwe ne no ne die fi obo asanya hamstring a ase ne ama na konchen kakra edu oba be wie no si Inoka Subontin so no enyi pra kakra ne nsa eho na kan wo se otran fi be se na otwe no emako enan no mienu odebebo modin na wetimi e de arrest na mienu na aka no waba be join o matrentre na pom na aboa na ne ma deda di impre timiera momontu kwa ene latest update how to folk eba bebo edi tiensu ateman no omo physiotherapy no abomodin etimi area tudwa ni nyina mo na boa ma ne ma dadi pa so no etimi edie mo mamun komo no ye di remedy ma be heba clinic ma mia be sibra brabejo aya isa na mboa na ne ma dadi pa ebidron koten ena ma me di ejuma na ne wa boa ma nkofo enyo ma ho odin a nyame na no so bo ejuma papa na se ne tie wo ye bema na ne loan spare account ni dunya wapem so awunya ba okwa ma me be na wetimi aso ano nye no nko ere mu amade ni so ano be na watretrim from wiser to be nation adini mo yedu na odi aye de onso no obetimi di aye onze mema yenyi no na ye prostate no kesia na ye wanhwe andodo na dabi no ye de bibi ko akwakoto be ma ni mamia bi na daroma obe no asoso ano de ama baby girls no e was a mama center boot no baby chiche eye de ya kono na nka bi ewu bia no etimi fi ho na bibi adeda din se de be ya nana enya akwenya ababirama obesi akọ ababiem na aboana na ije no etimi wi pe bosome so obunsa na e kan dwe eno so kra na nche nam yare no e yade a e ha wie papa na fi fibroid eno so kra no ensa na nche no bacteria infection ne ma wodo na hawa ma me be bo atwa ya ba ko anim guase pa na de ba ko ade ko ma me na so ya obre no wabo ne ta na to bebi kra mo nya ho de no e twa ya nye no nko akwada na wawo na ese enchu be fimu ni nyina no e sekese ho nko mo bre na wabo na aba no etimi jana na so nyame na ma me no so e ye djuma akwa sekese test no ye scan test no o ye ta no so apatrapa new site o obena apatrapa junction fa na ma no na ka ha ne mboa na ye ntimi enso ano 0243 34 5392 345392 na 0506 460208 460208 niamwa na ne man de dimpe fa ma me say bibia aboko de
na me adoma hwe ni experience
say no wate dodo na me nim bibia wo de befa.
Yes, Abu Dhabi, phobia. I think so. Omudi, I'm impressed, and then Momonko so anomunye. Na your man team to the informal, no close the gap between supporters in the team. No, it had been far for some time now. Gone are the days when capable gamer ukubusu official say DNSC ukubusu and say for crampona intribution of a kabi the actual. You don't even know about it. The man say play and I catch and say, Magukensi na yakwa kusino idea. Unimuchaka, Virginana, also Virginana, they better us near to us. So I think they are on a very good way. And I feel the only thing here needs to be a resource. They account whatever that they are doing. Said the bear new mabit Messi at their moment. Now to Nations FC and Coach Mengo. I'm impressed with the way I work as but they say no, I think say Kasa and Framana Hopa. Ade aba me ehunu se ne dwumadi na wo di no there is a progress the tangibility of how our project no is it a strong man for the money ehun touch bi hu say yes ade ayeye no eso fa so ni ayenya. One thing I would love to talk about Nations FC your more leaders surrounding the team. Nana Kuka closer to the team. Kennedy closer to the team. These are people I maybe a tremuno omudi dwumabi okumasa asante kotoko ade ba kwa mesere omoni ese allow the coach to do his job mamon kosesa players bi amfa ambe hye no ko
ade ibiesida
say players cho ni aso players be 10 15 20 sa ade na monteso and coach we kasa obeya menjina chinie wayebu obichima me ehunu kotena bechima a kai still the long serving coach in a single club in the Ghana Premier League. Abranka de aka ni na eje omokwan. Not only did he make Bechem United a team maybe a normal top 4 team, but they were playing quality football and they developed top talents. At a point in time, you're born at 20 and at 17, now you have their players in. National team nipo nya chance na no suja hono mo de tukan ko Tanzania their goalkeeper Chan say ni players kakra so be kakra. You saw what he did at Bechem United, so okaso baby wo Nations FC a me anya me wonwa be wo say daddy e be daddy so a mo amoye leaders na mo surround team no mo fa nyoma be bring hye ne kon menim say coach etode bi wo so monitor no now so hunu ni dwumadi a wo ye dey odi. The facilities and the level of investment am I no Dr. Kwame Chain Sports Complex on enya asem ketwa moma so mranfa so it is not a small facility. Now a training pitch no mo we first one e di kan kohwe no almost say training pitch for the account, so they have 2 training pitches, you have hostels there, so in terms of even camping your players for games no enye difficult. If you also decide to go with academy lines, so now academy players kakana 17 we wo because of the hostels now wasisi wo ho ni hostels na wo ho no you can put them in no make sure so obe monitor mo day in day out. They have baby omo telly omo baby omo baby omo didi everything that you need at Dr. Kwame Chain Sports Complex wo. Don't let this investment go waste. He's a fantastic coach. Mo no munya abotrema no now ka league ni ma free say aduana ba league ni mo nko na chi biem. Aduana is the standard for most of teams of Mufi Division 1 bar in recent times. Every single one of them. Unko. Don't even think of, and especially when you have an owner Bibisas Wade a one in seven. Owner Bibi one in some more Yiska Usru. And among teams of Mufi Division 1 by Mudu Rosen or Stadium. Ghana Premier League teams square Mudu Rosen or Stadium. Every single facility Bibi a one bia, and it has got to a certain extent TV the ball wafu gives.
I will see international matches.
That is the level. It abreast the community ne so some fan can say a part of him. What building we need in area, no? They should create a certain bond between the players, the team, technical team players, and the community. said the bear on betting me as a fellow and it will become a fortress. Oh, Simon can't say new one, but Munshamukina. Nemunyedu, because at least if you are doing a good project like this, you always need your stadium maybe 5,000 to 6,000, at least 4,000 should be filled. What I say, you are doing a good project in a year. And yes, a project in India, this is a good project that will even benefit the community. So we try more stress, more tools, more genius, more credit to us in a debate from Bequai, Crampon in a debate in a babisi one no Abu Dhabi. They can also benefit from what it means to have a club of their own, which they can call say Nations FC. Coach Mengo need a team. I'm gonna be a do team Nutiaka.
Mate, medal sepa. Bishop. Akwa babiem.
Yeah, rare with you.
Na bibia de da ye.
Yeah, reporting live from the US Embassy. Unu anum bia san pie. And it's you. And then batch no ko and it's you no doso. Say GF letterhead back say. And I'm actually mu nyina edi aguso. And then they are to embassy ho. Oh, that GF letterhead. So then I saw your mama blasters. And untia.
Na bi mo so akone.
Oh yeah. Amo unu anum pia. Em say it's you no doso. Na mi nim nsema e bi so mo na so. Enye bredi kan ye be bounce visa ni e china bi no kwa e bia obenya ya ba visa bounce they are loving cry bounce in the US visa na wo kwa mensa
they are loving mo am loving
oh ye call US ye call camp to Cristiano Ronaldo to me call US kabie oh ti wo rasku ku ya fo anko bi adi na wusu masa omo chro mo omo kuro mo to nzamfre wo what I say ntino meme ku gina ba bi nkoto ayapia ko so sa kwotena WhatsApp na ya ketadwuma na wo share pictures na wo share videos na wo di atem
Sompa sports apart from
yeah we with you ko we asibo me kai say you okay then no enye confidence na come call Austria na omu ni embassy wa how omu embassy wa Nigeria
yeah
there's a call Midru embassy or Midru Ademo. I say, oh, thanks for coming. We are so sure you'd enjoy your stay in Austria. If you have time, go to Ismabrek or Osnabrück and go and see how the place is. Ben Salzburg. I don't know who's Salzburg. Say Ben German border. Salzburg come Munich a short distance. We interview.
David.
I don't know. Bizarre. For no bizarre one na. Then the Ocean Pabwa say saying.
We won't. To be holding.
Yeah, so no. Arrow, but yeah, no. The entire affair we direct into the camera. Mo nyatwomfo trofo no. Muntina e me yes adwuma we. Na na otwi me gina mo konso say pampe. Ma obi anko pacha wo ba bia menko. Oh, press. I'm gonna press you. Me huna obi a me say prosper no actual letter no koy. On ka say me twatre.
On actual letter.
Of course. Jeff letterhead.
I don't actually for
so ko cover games bia. Uko GFA ko di letter enye boni o. O debi. Kwaku enye boni kra. No my brother. No. Say bia enka mo akọ games we bia. E ba ko di letter o de amount they would duly oblige. What I say? Oh, onya boni. Yenyu anum no nyatwomfo na. No mpesa mu chese o mu ye unye neutral. We ye neutral la. Michael Asaibodu send me message on the day the US opened the accreditation process. Or catch you be our officer. So our person who call US Nibino apply for the accreditation. Or more accreditor. Company letter to so call US embassy. Or member Ivis and B. So cast obet over 3 months aba. Omo nyo capre aside the visa fee. So cast say ko now pay visa for 1 year because ABana another event assigned the okwa. Or member 1 year visa normal do $200. I'm friend repository fee.
Oh, okay.
Ntino no sense unye neutral ntino. Ukwo share GFA delegation obo saying. Ano ntina yeso yigina akọ so press the neck no. Timunyi na mudi wa wo ye be ma bowa.
Munya mudi wa na azabe ka ho bi. Because they okay.
No say me dey fa camera no.
That's all ozika munya.
Na say me na me ka say omo ma frɛ pacho no
azame kan ho bi
men ko pacho ba bia we de adwuma na ye na nye chopa ukɔgye 1,000 Ghana betina radio so to eja boy no so obi ama ho ame pacho afi ko frɛ Jeff ma frɛ ma fo be kyerɛ asɛm obi anu ni nkyerɛ mu bia I kyena on your neck press I said deny mo oh yenye adwuma sa ntino Ghana Central for Amani hunu
Shaba dey na we
football administrators wakasa on WhatsApp platforms where they are teme chanten who coin here bisa o say what are you going to the US when time nya no almost call what seven them obo ye pa
awu bizo bisa
why are you going to the US when time nya no wano WhatsApp platform so kasasa na ka say chanten o ko duru line mu na ho so omo monitor wo omo say omo share cage bi msa omo monitor ho so psychology akwa onye credible ne ho po omo wiu oba ya abegine so opie free wa baby a police for no show kiosk bi mu no edua bi si run about bi ho akogina ho ATM na ATM fa VIP bus mako acha say oye dey so about be duru 10 years kura oba be duru enye di bi say deni enye di bi si deni enye di bi si deni opa na wa twen delegation na delegation na ya Abidjan nti ye kwa na ne yeko
how the crime say onko be bia be enyu interview ko tra go no kromo be bia
enye asemi die
ade chiarale
me ma me nti se wo be bo wa be ye skirmishes bia na me ye neutral we a game changer and a selection na amfa
achi o be bia ohu immigration officer ba kwa chawa okrom ni o baba be kore ai AFCON 2024 to give up that correct
so me mo akore
when they say find them and they kwado be bisa question
u ba betena se bra mo amon kra hono so mo ntena wa bebrebe ni nyina sa mo nya neutral me gina mo so for 1 week
I use you do talk so na ho den
me that's it neutral no centronia kwaje ibisa na kwa ya B1 B2 ya bisa wa unim za o C3 C6 no overheading
some passports
dia ho na
B1 no B2 ni 5 year tourist visa na usenka obise bisem wo ya centronia na no minister spokesperson ti asasa o accreditation na centronia oko so wo pe I visa we are a member of SWAG ko Charles says be sign letter amount
the US embassy could inquire for SWAG
masa
a member or not.
That's the first thing they do.
So only member of SWAG cry who your general manager of the station in question, yes. Those are the two.
Absolutely, Mira. We nya DBA din. So, enye misika ya na no fa boni ya. Come no ye nanketi you.
Those on paper. When they give you that shit.
Asem ni nie.
Omo ma there no so.
Sorry, call.
On paper.
Unya so je passport. O se o je passport no mo so hwe ne brown envelope ni bibia hwem. On fa na de enko.
Omo paper na say omo.
On system na se na. On ti ase. On ti ase.
Paper no o ti so ha o. Wa kai baba lu. Na we are UK. That time of level 300. Abeli adjebe hosa. Paper like ash bisa.
Udani ejami.
Udia we 3 days rosary. We 3 days we take that passport repairship and every document. White people be account. Oh, we say I do. We be pages. Me the 5 days we do kubasi.
What bread?
Boy,
Sompa.
what dream you know?
Bros, Torebia, you can even do your very bit. You just don't know. Until the man we ne have. But send na mutimi accuse ye mu bi say yakoje mpanyimfo bi scan. Let me be specific. Because my kwaje the free is cantino me tanket. Now this and two docket. I'm putting it to you.
You are not also here there on
oh, good.
So is the reason why look tomorrow I'm not trying to make about credibility matter. And listen, me Sabiu means real young guy be I'm more reduced and a lot of young guys they don't have credibility. I'm not listen. Your credibility to and yet don't be share them account. Assembled by high top ranking people have called me top ranking people because you know they know and can vouch for my credibility. Me Jessica Obi, they know you dare not. Say me anti was kabibru. Me anti was dumb. I don't go to her. So me attack I don't worry. So China Obi I try and trego Miss Wewa. Yes, so tomorrow I'll defend myself. And state near here setting the record straight. Just within a small space of time, I'll just set the record straight. Mr. Media and I'm saying for credibility is important in this job. Credibility. Man share chebi and kasani pa hu chana wa share. O 150 me hu so 150. O share chance o me hu check color wa share. Yes. That so.
Boss intuition say na adwuma ne si kona.
some passports
Some no crest mirror. But the tintin in titan and say that's why you have to be modest and ambitious in equal measure. And that's what Kasim Mingle is trying to do. Where investment no mayo abrankesena a best self afata set team in the Becca League and then compete for top harness at some point. But then the reality is that competing in this league is difficult. Brazil player on Nimbobo. I've watched him.
Onimbobo.
Onimbo. I've seen him. And they are working on his skill specifically. Omodi Ase. I'm optimistic, say. I'm on target, say, on Becca League. That's the most important thing. I'm on Calignim. Because the team was not ready for the Premier League. Per projections. No more some next year and our next 2 years. And then they got a lottery of bad decision by Sky. On the evidence of Team Ayashishen, Gold Stars the kind, Summer text by, na Sky, and I was on and Nations thereby. So 3 years we know Summer text Gold Star Sky, and a normal compete here into no strong in a free on na Babeka Sky. And it was obvious they were going to qualify at some point. It didn't happen for them. But Nations Saba, and you see, this is a truthful coach. Emenusa, a Jumanason. Why you do phase 2? And on Nanche, Prosper Ogum, after the match, he said something. Fatau, Heart of Lions coach, and he said the same thing. The intensity of the players is at 60%. It's on Bobo na Sana Faum. It be Enakasi Mingela Okano. Until everybody should be modest about this club. But they should have ambition at the back of their head. And I'm optimistic. So I'm also Yanisa. I'm so optimistic. So optimistic, sir. Stadium.
Mati, also.
But I mentioned several years ago, I'm impressed with what I'm seeing. And I would say clubs may be best here because you see, Physioma update on player injury. 1. Emma in central for Omo Kasafa players has a folk Obuyomepra. The Ombenya accurate information Ambe presented a very accurate and appropriate information to the cherished listener viewers who happen to be their supporters as well. And Tienya Ubek board seems to Michelle problem we no one know. They are making sure say Omo provide the public, no, which include Omo fans and the general proper update. Secondly, adie papa no ye Jaffa many aje won say onya botre ema obi ati asese emre we mu no injury no ball each of the player ne injury esama emre obeba. And this has been missing our league. Most of the clubs don't even do it. And for me, I think that the level of professionalism that has with the technical team exhibit is very good. Yes, of course. I say fortunes on the field of play. I say eno and compliment here. And na eno emma ye hano na akwese se be hwi kra nkoso. What do I gonna say? Niema papa akos but some so share results from the field because what is in there? Say no banner we koswa na we are irrelevant. But for me as a broadcaster, we a good thing and I'm here. I'll say a idea better so I more regular. Senebe a basa a bomb man kasa be got bonus stream can send be far player being doing then yes sanity. So there's he's setting records, putting them out there as it is, per the injury report, our medical doctors with their mano, and then time a player no be recover returning it go. And tie mark ukrano ABOC wait 2 after 2 or 3 weeks. You should be asking questions. So we be back anyway. And then now ABA now gravity or called training ABA and now all your warm up no and now all your recovery no so and now all your physiotherapy no BBC and TMA time I saw bano or some prior and so it's a very good thing. They should keep it up. Koroko partnership as electronic partner with Hisense there a good thing. Who said the truth of the matter is that the league neighbor are very expensive. Yeah, it's very expensive. And then Nema boy do look the cost of medical bill to clubs. Because time go back to papa. Nema who say bibia players pra ni 9 ni koto journey way very expensive. The clubs need a lot of money player salary the salary of players papa baby almost the utility bills car movie technical staff payment winning bonuses unsem so very important say obe start anya partners at least omdi kakra beba say na beba easy the pressure of salaries any bonuses any other outstanding bills affect the club so good a very good start Salmania as a partner and I hope say there will be other very big companies that are almost be on board because Ghana you know expenditure is bigger than any club when it comes to the league.
Ghana,
So yes, expenditure super, and because of that, only have more sponsors to make sure say easy pressure no because expenditure so attendance of them. So attendance was one of the areas I saw making sure so Benya send a club no and call him as partnership or what you call a sponsorship or degrees of partnership. And so near here say partnership no the big club but send a bet me a boa club no players aketua player bia obusia ebusion bokoto konkwan de ebusion no nim se woska na sasika ma na aketua mba saketua mba ebusion football abusu misu ye no omo didie ni bibia o player no botum zika imagine say sika no man tema e de na eto ebusion fo no fi so it is very very important because some are so big and huge and almost expenditure they need this partnership more of it. As the every season they need to have minimum 10 sponsors to be able to do very well. And as Scano so see no mind my into unyan almost say see no reasonably say obema bibia a reasonable kakra o call for bibia was so beshi because unto me comedy be air brew my mo unto me a tour and a nearma bo cost of production and ama company be anti me ska be and my class because omo bomb home bond say almost staff come met me maintain you product no me nko beto send a be am bet me at twice with the sponsor edum pepper so be a pay rate quite reasonably boa o kan zo kotokosun ni wasobeshi because also no scan anya odia
yes
e be so nyan kakrakra na afibia no opejemu ebia o increase rate no to 20% of ni anipa no tu ene kakrakra because we yes and so boa so kind nipa na or partners or no so fast so ben adwuma no ye no edia na mo na mo so mutu as to make sure or no so nyam fast so se no ba obe make sure say afi ba kokro be trem akọ afi miensa afi enum afi nine so there's entia na nye scano je ne here scano je ne na mum adwuma obe ye se ne be anipa no be ho kra for 5 years 10 years and no ho the near my good crata so diso make sure say diso if I saw senya other activations I saw here to make the sponsor very happy. A major problems that have confronted our clubs from your league nankasa to your club. Share your Premier League. How many times one who say sponsor about check? Nina don't wanna jira. Near my say your man quite fast we ya Sebiu and Nije and from Homa. So we are not open baby not this kind of not league no air break. After like I said, Ochiname Kasanti, Techai, New York, mean glorified, but he doesn't know what he's talking about. Sebiu, all of a sudden, me and Miko endorsement, me more you are not party to it, Munim CHM Yankasa. And you are basing your argument on what has come out. Mother, this is football. Football. With my experience in football, mostly what comes out is not what the true picture is. So also I know where you belong. I'm not even interested in where you belong. But Sebiu, they be amikase. We a penny now before the babon to so wakasa. A sense some now cano. Sebiu is so one who tia sending him there. And son wakokasa. It's not the fact that there's become a talk shop. Everybody at all is getting up to talk. So you think that I have to talk. No, it's not right. And it's not appropriate. I don't tolerate people like that. It doesn't matter who you are. The right thing must be done. Sebiu, before the Kasakra, at least one idea about Nisi, who Nimdia Kakran in Tiasaka, who can't, one so be. The fact said, Yacho Vidia Babontin in Chesses and attend to a fan who still now Casano. You must be modest and mindful, knowing very well so unya party to what transpired. So they say, but no crown, Opaya day. Emre. No gray. Ochinameka Kakrebi Keke. And then I'll still be waiting and watching. At appropriate time, full blown and then problem
Adochina be kaka krebi.
Ochina look, first of all, Ayala tried to me so.
Ayala.
Yes, video now. It's what transpired.
Ayala tried also.
Yes, because what near see no, near no, that's not what transpired.
Ara what can be?
Ochina me voice no. I'll play his voice. I'm a top professional. So and I know a juma we say mon kola na chema de. So I'll play the voice here. What he said. Me voice no. Then I'll state what the facts are. No kind and no credit. So I will state what the facts are because credibility matter. Yes, Juma Musa be untimi so they can sem keke. E so one you so to speak to a matter. Yes, Juma your sources can fail you. The reason why a source failed, and I'll come and say no, I'm sorry, because ye Juma muntiti enya any mom here form say baby ye Juma koduru. So kunya bibi na even see and get it wrong. Sompa sports. And yes, shameful name. Neom say we are properly trained on this job and you understand must be done. Say basa onya no wronger. Just apologize. Man yen tintinti. Eno ye juma yen sanda yen mo be juma mu na say na mba be kire juma no. So as some of us are available and around, we will make sure we keep on correcting and teaching people what the right thing is when it comes to the job. So Ochina, he lied about certain facts. So far as all the meeting batter or me soon a mere center of everything, I will react tomorrow and state the facts. And facts as it is. I am the one involved. Well, one thing, you're more holier than me, the one involved in the matter. Yes, and to your channel, and I'll state the facts for people to know what the fact is. I have informed Kuku about the fact that I'm going to state the facts tomorrow. He doesn't have a problem with that. Ntimo munya butre, asamba munya butre. Mamu prepare moko cancel because you want to be heard or you want somebody to get no. And as some nobody is too from bremu hwasi. Na sebiu bibia we ase bibia no bibe di wanim kan so be di obi anim kan and you don't get everything say tumofua montie mo bra mo ase o dey say I called him and his attitude was not right, but like I said, that is up to him. But Ochina, I'll put the audio out there. Me board you know we are then I'll state what the fact is, not what he's saying. Or what he's saying is not a fact.
We are charged.
Was it
Bishop Anna?
Oh, Ochina Queen.
Yeah, charge.
Me come baby but me can specific of course, yes. And you know I'm not ready to so many WhatsApp platforms. Yeah, because I'm not worried about those things. What you want to achieve. Yeah. Me can't crash in life. Say me ti baby na me foso ni ami can be go atown fia. Emre me akasa me go ase. Say nya no kra na adwen fa na medical. When you go ase emre, you are not achieving anything with that. No. And like I said, tomorrow I'm going to state it. And ya patapayo, no cry back up. Tomorrow I'm going to state what the fact is. Now we'll see where the source came from. Who does it? China no pa. No. Wacha by 10:30. Who's watching our GPN? TM right GPN.
General GPS.
By 10:30, before our first interview, let them home. Yeah. I'll state the fact.
Mate.
Why na friend why?
Me da se pa.
Call benefit. You can watch now.
Mate. Why da se pa? Ochina Erisha. Me corner suffocate.
Now Mingo why there? I'm impressed with him.
Kasimengo.
No, the way Okasa, there's a professional coach, top coach.
Kasimengo there. You know, that the back over the dance solo.
Oh,
boogie look crowd. You always have a short tactics or boy.
Of course. And look now, attack can be. Look, he even knows the face that team.
Sompa sports.
Just our appreciation of Tino Abefano. Baby, Ajuma was a seer, and Ajuma wanted him. I like coaches like that because or nimnioye or can't say near my sister, and yeah, God would or catch us. Look, say about whatever happens tomorrow. Tia said, Tim Nunyan Dum Pepe. So I said, like, I think as a modest expectation. Yes.
About the Mate or Chanyambo, I'm no bishia. Why? I caught now suffocate to Abana. Baba Betua, so you're a munyanasi.